Hi, I'm Dean with Veloci Performance Products. Today, I'm going to show you a few of the many ways that Veloci parts and accessories can transform your pressure washing. With just a few clicks, you can power up for any pressure washing job. We'll start with a basic residential pressure washer, add an adapter kit to attach our hose reel and our non-marking gray hose. Now the SGS 28 spray gun with live swivel would attach the 28-inch molded bent lance and a set of nozzles. This is what you might find yourself using to wash and rinse your residential property or vehicle. Now with just a few easy steps, we'll transform this typical washing setup into a complete two-step wash system. We'll disconnect our lance and add in our mezzo. And we've got a couple of PF22s here we'll add for this setup. Now this two-step wash system is a touchless wash system that uses pH shock to break the static bond of dirt and grime and allows for an easy, high-pressure rinse to get your surface 95% clean without the use of a mitt or brush. Now need to strip paint or hydro-excavate. I'm gonna add in a ball valve here between our hose and our gun. And we've got a turbo nozzle with its 0-degree rotating nozzle. Turbo nozzle is capable of easily stripping paint off concrete, asphalt, and brick surface types. It's also popular in the construction industry for hydro-excavation, where workers need to access areas around underground electrical wires. The high-pressure water will cut through soil, but not wires. Now, why did I add that ball valve? Placing the ball valve between the pressure washer and the spray gun allows you to easily switch spray gun setups. So you can disconnect your water supply, disconnect that setup, and move right to the next, such as this fully assembled acid gun setup. So now we can re-engage our water supply. Now this setup consists of the M407 acid gun, a 36-inch lance, and nozzle. The ball valve can be placed at the pressure washer or, like I have it here, just before the spray gun. Now what makes all this so easy? It's all about the quick connects. Simply compress the collar to release and click in your next setup, such as the Alkaline Gun and Lance. Now, this is a combination that consists of all 3/16 stainless steel and BPA-free plastics for restaurant and medical applications. And QCs are the key to all this versatility. Adding quick connects to each inlet and outlet allows you to easily connect and disconnect your accessories. Powering up your pressure washer is simple and easy. Snag your quick connects on mtmhydroparts.com or from any of our certified dealers.